Today we will be discussing about crude oil outlook. Yesterday was the historical day for crude oil prices. We have seen first time in history that current expiry month went in negative, whereas next contract was trading with a weakness of almost $12. On MCX we have seen April expiry was closed at 965. First time in the history that crude oil prices dropped below 1000 level mark. As we have already seen, the expiry day was there in nearby, and delivery mechanism was more important because people were continuously buying crude oil from $30, $25 and $20. But at the time of delivery, people were ready to take delivery, but the storage capacity was gone out of stock. Because of that, this happened, and we have seen crude oil prices expiring May contract in NYMEX went up to minus $35, whereas the spread between May and next contract went up to $40 in spread, we can say. Because of that, on domestic market also we have seen MCX crude prices drop below 1000 level mark. As of now, if we see the fundamental, global demand has dropped almost by 30%. No doubt, this month OPEC came out with a production cut of more than 10 million barrels. That is also a historical cut. But despite that, prices has dropped because right now every economy is in lockdown situation and demand has been certainly dropped. As per IEA, they have clearly told that 30% global demand has been right now cut off in the market. And supply side, we have already seen Saudi has clearly told that from April onwards he will be pushing more output. US is also putting more output. So overall, I think demand and supply mismatch has resulted in crude oil prices for dropping this historical low. Coming on the outlook side, still we expect, no doubt prices has dropped significantly. People and economies are still looking for to buy crude oil. But as of now, I think economy is still under pressure because lockdown situation is still prevailing in the market. So maybe for next future, if we talk about WTI, which is trading near to $21, may again see a sharp drop towards $17 to $18. Unless and until a radical change or a surprise cut doesn't come in the market, I don't think anything happening in crude oil, because demand concern is still prevailing. No doubt in between we may see some pullback, but that could be a technical pullback. Otherwise things would be negative for crude oil. Even Brent are expected to trade below $20 in coming days. So overall, stay away from crude oil. Long position should not be made in crude oil prices as scenario remain bearish only. Only technical bounce could be seen in next coming days, but that would be a good to sell unless and until severe production cut doesn't come in the market, or lockdown situation or coronavirus doesn't wipe out from the market. I think things would be negative for crude oil. Thank you.